Hello everyone. I revised on the lesson plan as against what we had last week. It appears the lesson plan from last week was making a unit, so I compressed the plan. So right now we're only looking into one common core standard. And then the ITS standard, we have two of them here. So these are the objective. We went over the objective last week and the tools you need. But specifically, I want you to first of all look at the materials, okay? In addition to what we cover in the classroom, these are resources on addition and subtraction. Let me have you listen to this. So while it's load, okay, it's here. All right. So let's see what we have from this material. You're going to watch this video on your own. While it loads, let me go back to the lesson plan. So these are different materials you will need. Okay. Just a moment. Oh, okay. All right.
Surprise! 1 plus 1 equals 1 plus 1 equals, what do you think the answer?
So right now, this is one egg and this is another egg. So if you put both of them together, the question is, what do you think the answer will be? Okay, let's see.
Answer is, let's count the eggs. 1, 2. Aha! We got it! 1 plus 1 equals 2. Okay, let's try another one. 1 plus 2 equals 1 plus 2 equals.
So right now, assuming you have one egg, okay, and I've given you 2 additional eggs, how many eggs do you get? Okay, you're going to use your counting tools to solve this problem. But let's see what the answer is. You can write it down on your own as you watch the video.
What do you think the answer is? Let's count the eggs. 1, 2, 3. Aha! We got it! 1 plus 2 equals 3.
So I encourage you to watch all the video. The videos, there are more resources in here for you. Here's another video, very interactive video on addition and subtraction. Okay, let's see the other video while the advert is on the way. Okay, all right. I'm gonna pause this video, you watch this video. So specifically I designed this video for you, okay, on subtraction and addition. Students, this animation, it's a representation of your performance-based assessment. So this video was based on the previous unit, but it's still useful, okay? I had a couple of questions here which I used to explain addition and subtraction to you. So watch this video and watch the other videos that are available in the lesson, okay? That should guide you through the assessment, okay? So once you're done, I've provided you a question, just this one question. You have to answer this question to let me know you understand the concept. And you're going to do a video when you answer this question. Do a video. You can use Omani screencast, okay, or you use any video authoring tool of your choice, okay, to create your video. You can also use your phone. You can do the egg using the real egg and then do a video with your phone and upload that in our classroom. If you need help, let me know. All right, bye-bye.